The concept of a remarkably ingenious cabinet that doubles as a window frame in this Japanese-style tiny home offers a striking solution to both aesthetic and spatial challenge. Seamlessly blending form and function, this clever cabinet design not only provides essential storage but also frames the natural light entering the room, creating a harmonious connection between the indoors and outdoors. What makes this design even more inspiring is its integration with built-in wardrobe embedded into the walls. These hidden cabinets are masterfully disguised, maintaining a clean and minimalism appearance that aligns with traditional Japanese interior principle. The absence of bulky furniture elements ensure their space remains open, neat, and uncluttered, making the home feel far larger than it actually is. By eliminating visual barriers and making every feature serve multiple purposes, this design allows the tiny home to retain its elegance without compromising utility. It's a testament to smart design thinking, where storage is subtly woven into the architecture, resulting in a peaceful, organized, and highly functional living environment ideal for compact living.